Let's look at the question, what is a function? The definition of a function is an equation where one value for x gives you exactly one value for y. So here I have two examples of equations, but one of them is a function and the other one is not. This one, if I graph it, it looks like this. And for any value for x, I'm going to get exactly one y. So as you can see from the graph, if I put 1 into the equation, 1 plus 1 is 2, so I get an answer of 2. And if you keep trying different numbers, you will get different answers. But on this one, if you put in, for example, the number 0 for x, and you work it out, you get as you work it out, you get a positive and negative 1. You get two answers. And you can see on the graph something strange happens as well. So let's look at it. At 0 on the x-axis, you get an output up here and you get an output down here. So you get two answers, and that's why this is not a function.